If you're experiencing low performance in Rocket League, there are several steps you can take to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance in the game. Step 1. Optimize graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game menu. Reducing settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing can help improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers, which can significantly improve game performance. Step 3. Check background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of resources can hinder a game's performance, so make sure to free up system resources before playing. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Optimize your network settings by using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Additionally, check for any bandwidth-heavy applications running on your network that could affect your connection during gameplay. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can provide a significant boost to your gaming performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Rocket League performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.